Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the color of Google Calendar events step by step. Changing event colors can help you organize your schedule and quickly identify different types of events. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google Calendar. Sign into your Google account if you haven't already. Once your calendar opens, locate the event whose color you want to change. Click on the event to open its details pop-up. In the pop-up window, look for the color palette icon at the top. Click on the color icon. A list of available colors will appear. Simply select the color you want to use for the event. As soon as you click a color, the event will immediately update with the new color. If you want to change the color while creating a new event, click the Create button or select a date on the calendar. Enter your event details. Then click the color icon in the event window and choose your preferred color before saving the event. Finally, click Save. Your event will now appear in the selected color on your calendar. Using different colors for meetings, appointments, personal events, and reminders can make your calendar much easier to manage. And that's it. You've successfully changed the color of Google Calendar events. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Calendar tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next video.